settings are general settings that will affect what you see in your Tidy account. In this module, learn how to set up your organisation settings, understand the sales and purchases settings, and learn about automatic numbering. Head to Company under Global Settings. In the General tab, you can view and modify your company name, the date format, and your base time zone. Below this, you can adjust the canvas width. This changes your view on screen in Tidy. Large displays a wider screen view, while Normal is more condensed. You can also add a company logo. Click Choose File to upload an image from your computer. The logo will appear in the top right corner across your Tidy account. The next tab under your company settings is Sales and Purchases. Here, you can select a default sales tax rate and add your company tax number. Also, enter your company address. Set a default due date for invoice payments here. You can elect to make them due on a certain date of the following month, or you can choose to make them due a certain number of days after the invoice date. If Set Sale Date to Current Date is enabled, the sale date will automatically be updated to the current date when you open a previously saved sales order or credit note. You can opt to ignore stock levels on unmanaged items. When this is enabled, sales can be made for unmanaged items even if there is insufficient stock at the sale location. You can enter your invoice payment terms and choose whether to include delivery addresses in sale invoices. If you select this, the delivery address will appear as a line item on the sale invoice. This may be useful if the customer's billing address is different from their delivery address. Purchase order settings can be found down here. Access relates to purchase permissions. If enabled, purchasers can create draft purchase orders, but only purchase approvers can approve and send them. There are two batch settings. Batch assignment on PO receipt means that you must assign material items to a batch number when purchase orders are received. Show batches with no stock by default means that batches with no items in stock will be displayed automatically. If catalogue price is enabled, it will be used as the default purchase price for items it is set up for. The reorder multiplier determines when items appear on the stock level warning screen. Under Default Order Line Style, you can choose to have the material item code and/or reference appear as line items on a purchase order. This may be helpful if you have supplier codes that are different from your internal codes. You can put the supplier code in the reference so it is visible to the supplier on the purchase order. Next, enter your billing address and delivery address. You can add a footnote to appear after the order details too. You can also choose to apply landing costs as a separate line item on the invoice rather than spreading them across items. The Advanced tab is home to your automatic numbering. When you create sales, purchases, assemblies, items and transfers, they are automatically numbered. The numbers on this screen are the numbers or codes for the next transactions.